Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a cloak. We'll start by gathering our simple materials. You'll need about 3 to 5 yards of fabric, depending on your height, along with matching thread, a sewing machine, and basic sewing tools. Selecting the right fabric, such as wool for warmth or linen for a lighter feel, is crucial for your cloak's purpose. This guide makes the process straightforward and enjoyable for everyone. Now let's prepare our fabric. First, fold your fabric in half lengthwise. Measure from your shoulder to the floor, adding about 2 inches for the bottom hem. Mark this length across the fabric. Cut your fabric into a large rectangle, ensuring your lines are straight. This forms the main body of your cloak. You'll also cut a smaller piece, approximately 24 by 30 inches, for the hood or collar. With your fabric cut, it's time to sew. Begin by hemming the 2 long side edges of your main cloak piece. Fold each edge in by about 1/2 inch press, then fold again and stitch neatly. Next, create the bottom hem by folding the fabric up 1 inch, pressing, then folding another 1 inch and stitching. Finally, attach your hood or collar piece to the top edge of the main cloak body, right sides together. We're almost done. Hem all remaining raw edges on your hood or collar for a polished finish. Now, decide on your closure. A simple clasp, 2 fabric ties, or a set of buttons and buttonholes can work perfectly at the neck. For extra flair, you might add decorative trim along the edges or even a contrasting lining. Your custom-made cloak is now complete and ready to wear.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.